In a world increasingly dominated by fast fashion, digital transactions, and mass-produced goods, the quiet return to handmade, solid wooden gift crafts is not just a nostalgic trend, it is a meaningful cultural shift. These pieces, carved or crafted by skilled hands, are not only beautiful and stylish but also rich in substance, memory, and emotional resonance. In today's trend-driven market, where uniqueness and authenticity are becoming more valued than ever, wooden crafts are emerging as powerful symbols of taste, thoughtfulness, and a deeper kind of luxury that cannot be replicated by machines. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of beautiful and stylish handmade solid wooden gift crafts, design ideas crafts for today's trend. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The beauty of handmade wooden gifts lies in their inherent individuality. Each piece of wood carries its own fingerprint, its grain patterns, knots, color variations, and texture, all shaped by the elements over years or even decades. When a craftsman begins shaping that piece into a gift item, whether it's a jewelry box, a serving tray, or a decorative sculpture, the result is a one-of-a-kind object that reflects both the nature of the material and the vision of the maker. This natural uniqueness stands in stark contrast to the uniformity of factory-made products, which often feel soulless, even when they are wrapped in glossy packaging. Beyond the physical uniqueness, the act of giving a handmade wooden item is deeply symbolic. In our modern culture, where convenience often trumps connection, a wooden gift says something different. It says that time was invested, skill was employed, and thoughtfulness was central to its creation. There's a quiet romance in that idea, whether the gift is exchanged between partners, friends, colleagues, or family. It becomes more than just a functional object. It becomes a carrier of intention and care. The aesthetic impact of wooden gift crafts also cannot be understated. Solid wood, when worked with artistry, radiates warmth and character. The tones range from light honey to deep mahogany, offering endless possibilities for personal style. In today's interior and lifestyle trends, where natural materials and neutral palettes are favored, wooden crafts align perfectly. They blend seamlessly into minimalist homes, rustic farmhouses, and contemporary lofts alike. Whether polished to a sleek finish or left raw and organic, wooden gifts harmonize with the aesthetics of modern living. In addition to their aesthetic value, wooden gifts carry a deeper environmental message that resonates with contemporary values. As more people become conscious of sustainability and eco-responsibility, the demand for renewable, biodegradable, and long-lasting products is rising. Handmade wooden items, especially when sourced from reclaimed or responsibly harvested wood, embody this ethos. They stand in contrast to the plastic trinkets and synthetic goods that dominate gift markets and ultimately contribute to environmental degradation. To choose wood is to choose a future-oriented mindset, one that honors both the earth and the people who live on it. Wooden gift crafts also represent a form of artistic expression. The possibilities are endless, from intricate wood-burn designs to hand-carved figurines, from modern geometric coasters to traditional folk-inspired keepsake boxes. Each piece becomes a tiny gallery of creativity. For the artisan, it is a medium for storytelling and personal voice. For the buyer, it is an opportunity to share that story with someone they care about. For the recipient, it is a treasure imbued with artistic soul. In a time when digital communication often lacks depth, these tactile, artistic expressions restore human warmth to our interactions. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The resurgence of wooden gift crafts is also reflective of a broader social trend, the return to craftsmanship. As automation continues to take over many industries, handmade objects are gaining renewed respect. People are seeking out items that show evidence of human hands, signs of time, labor, and love. A hand-sanded surface, a delicately fitted joint, a carefully oiled finish. These details evoke the artisan's presence in a way that no barcode ever could. In today's trend-conscious society, where experience and meaning often trump mere function, the artisanal has become aspirational. This shift also opens up significant opportunities for craftsmen and small woodworking businesses. The market for handmade wooden gifts is expanding, driven by consumer desire for uniqueness and sustainability. Whether sold at local artisan markets, boutique gift shops, or online platforms like Etsy, these products appeal to a demographic that values story, quality, and ethics. This demand supports local economies, revives endangered skills, and gives craftsmen a chance to build thriving careers based not on scale, but on skill. In a digital marketplace, even a solo artisan with a humble workshop can reach a global audience and make a sustainable living doing what they love. Moreover, the gifting of wooden crafts is evolving into an experience in itself. It's not uncommon for people to commission personalized items, engraved names, custom dimensions, symbolic carvings, which turns the gift into a lasting memento. These custom touches deepen the emotional value of the object and forge lasting connections between giver and receiver. At weddings, handmade wooden boxes carry rings and vows. At baby showers, carved wooden toys become cherished heirlooms. At graduations or retirements, a personalized plaque or handcrafted pen holder becomes a permanent marker of achievement and gratitude. Each of these gifts is as much about the moment as it is about the object. Wooden crafts also tap into another contemporary trend: mindfulness. In a world saturated with fast-moving content and constant stimulation, wooden objects bring stillness. Their smooth surfaces, natural hues, and organic forms invite us to touch, hold, and reflect. They are grounded in the physical world, free from wires, screens, or apps. When you hold a wooden gift, you feel its weight and presence. It becomes a mindful object, one that brings you back to your senses and your surroundings. For many, this makes wooden crafts not only beautiful, but also therapeutic. The emotional resonance of wooden gifts continues long after the moment of giving. Unlike many products that wear out or go out of style, wooden items often grow in beauty over time. They gather patina, marks of use, small scratches that become stories in themselves. Instead of being discarded, they are kept, displayed, used again and again. In this way, they become part of the recipient's everyday life, a steady, silent companion that holds memory and meaning. In conclusion, the rise of handmade solid wooden gift crafts in today's trend speaks volumes about our evolving values. We are moving toward a culture that honors authenticity over artifice, sustainability over waste, uniqueness over conformity, and emotional depth over material flash. Wooden gifts embody all of these shifts. They are beautiful not only because of how they look, but because of what they represent: human effort, natural beauty, and enduring connection. As we continue to navigate an ever-changing world, the presence of something so rooted and real in our lives becomes not just desirable, but essential. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, beautiful, and stylish handmade solid wooden gift crafts, design ideas crafts for today's trend. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.